Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'll be guiding you through how to remove followers on Poshmark. So let's go ahead and jump straight into the video. Launch open a web browser and go to Poshmark.com and search. Also make sure that you're logged into your Poshmark account by entering your account's credentials. Once you're inside the main homepage, click on your feed button on the top left. You will then end up in your feed page. Right where it says people you follow, new listings, under feed page. To remove a follower, go ahead and click on their thumbnail. You'll then end up in their closet. At the top right hand corner of their closet page, go ahead and click on the three dots right next to the following drop down. Now, to remove a follower, click on block user. Click on yes in the pop-up and then you'll be able to remove a follower from your followers list, and it'll also prevent them from following you again. So that's how you can easily remove a follower on Poshmark. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.